You can edit definitions for any feature that you have created in Catia, and it is very easy. You can double click on the body on the specific feature, like for example this pad. You can go over the specification tree, find the feature and double click on that, or you can right click on that and go to pad object, for example in my case, or any object that you are about to update it or change it, and go to definition. All of them are going to open the definition box for that particular feature that you are about to change. And here in my case I want to change it to 30 millimeters in both sides, so I click on mirrored extend, I click on preview. I'm happy with that, but something is grayed out here. This means that there is a warning or error or something that cannot be corrected for me. I will show you how you can manage that. I click on OK, and then that's it. You can see that as soon as I clicked OK, the object is rendered correctly and shown to me very nicely. But this one, of course, has a problem. If I want to correct this, I need to right click on that and go to local update. In my case, because I am trying to update a dimension, it won't work. You see, if I click on local update, it will say local update for constraints are not allowed, because this is a constraint. And if I go over the part and right click on that and go for updating all of the feature again, it will give me an error because this is a dimension and it won't work. But where do you decide if you want to have manual update or automatic update? Most of the time you go for automatic update, but in case you want to go for manual, you go to tools, go to options, and under infrastructure we have part infrastructure, and under that you can see the update here. It says automatic or manual. You can change it to manual in case you want manual or automatic. I just want to have this automatically updated. Anyway, this is one thing. I'm going to remove this constraint because it doesn't, comply, it doesn't work with this. I can have this constraint one more time again. Now I can add more features to the body. Let's say that I want to go to insert, go to SketchUp feature, and from here I want to have something like let's say pocket or any other feature that I wish to have. It is very easy to choose one, like a shell, which happens to be under dress up feature, I believe. Yes, that's here. So I select this, and it says what are the face to remove. This is a face to remove. And am I going to have multiple thicknesses for different parts? No, that's okay. And what is the thickness inside? I'm going to have this like 5 millimeters. And do I want to add the thickness outside? No, that's okay. So I can click on OK, and you can see that this shell is created for me. I can again see this feature here by double click on that. I can go for the definition. Maybe I want to add, for example, smoothing. Maybe I want to have thicknesses in different parts. Maybe I don't want to have faces to remove, so I just remove this propagate faces to remove option here. So all of them can be done here by just changing the option that I wish to have. Like I said, if you have chosen to have manual update, after anything that you have done, you need to right click on that specific feature, or most of the time you go over the part and select to have update for that specific things that you have done before, and that's going to update the features or the whole body for you, everything that is here.